Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I hope you're all doing well. We are kind of getting a bit more into barbecue season, so I thought I should probably do something barbecuey. We have Prowlers on a stick today. Perfect, so our ingredients, we've got 6 tablespoons of sunflower oil. You need a teaspoon of sesame oil. I wasn't going to buy it just for 1 teaspoon, so if you have it, use it. Otherwise, I don't think it's going to matter too much. It just adds another flavour to it. 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of the Worcester sauce. Um, we've got 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. That is a little bit over. It just sort of came out the bottle. We've got 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 garlic clove pressed. I have bought the lazy garlic to use, so if you want to do that as well, that's fine. And then we're going to need half a teaspoon of black pepper. So that is our marinade for the meat. And then it's 1¼ pounds of beef, which I worked it out as 567 grams, but I've gone with 550 because that's kind of the closest. You then need 3 bell peppers, 3 red onions, 12 mushrooms, and some salt. And you're going to need some long skewers to either do it on the barbecue or in the oven. If you end up using wooden ones, please make sure you soak them before you do anything, because otherwise they're just going to catch fire. Lovely, so we are going to get this all mixed together and then I will cut my meat and stick it in there. It says to marinate it for at least 12 hours, but ideally overnight, so I'm going to do mine overnight. Perfect, so we're gonna get all of this marinated nicely and we'll stick it in the fridge overnight and then we will make the rest of the kebab sticks tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow. Good morning everyone, we are going to cut our veg, so just as a reminder, it was 3 red onions, 3 bell peppers and 12 mushrooms. I counted this pack, it was a 250 gram pack. It had 13 in it and a couple of them are quite small, so I'm just going to do them all. And then we need to stick them on our skewers. So I will, make a start on cutting those. So now we have all of our parts cut up and ready to go. We've got our meat out the fridge. We're going to put our skewers together. We'll alternatively put everything on the sticks. Just as a reminder, if you're using wood, please soak them. They will set fire. And if you're using the barbecue or the grill, you can kind of keep the marinade that's left over from the meat and you can, brush it back over just to keep everything moist, and it'll add more flavour into the kebab sticks. But yeah, let's just get these together. Lovely, so we've made 4 there, which is what the recipe says. We do have a fair amount of stuff left there, so we probably could get another 1 or 2, depending on if you wanted some more. If not, I was thinking maybe like a nice stir fry would be quite nice with your leftover bits. So as a reminder, if you're using the grill, it was about 8 minutes. You want to just turn them over periodically. And oven, it was 12 to 15 minutes. Obviously, if you're doing the barbecue, just keep an eye on them. And it does say to give them salt over before you cook them, so that's what we're going to do. I will be sticking these in the oven today. We were meant to have a barbecue, but it's now raining, so that's not helpful. But yeah, let me know how you get on with these and any other ideas for your leftovers. You'll have to excuse the oven humming in the background, but these have just come out. They were in for 15 altogether. I just thought I got quite large cuts of like the onion and the mushrooms. They probably needed another minute or 2. But these look amazing and they're definitely worth trying. Let me know if you do try them, how you get on. As always, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.